What's up? Today we're in the city of Pomona for the, I think, annual, what is it, Pomona Catholic School. But I did this one last year, so I actually thought I'd hit this before I head out to LA, even though this is still small little event. Wanted to check it out. I think a lot of people were discouraged because of the rain. Stopped raining over here, but the IE is raining up a storm right now, so it's good to be out here. After this, it's going to be Lincoln Park. So try to get as much footage as we can for this show. Still quite a bit of nice cars. The only thing that kills it is the music, as always, but yeah, see what happens. Classics, OG, SoCal. Out of P-Town, 81. Cheval. Really nice. 65 Impala. Sick. Nice pinstriping on that.
Okay, so just an update. We're going to go ahead and do the raffles and 50-50 at about 11:45, 11:50. For those of you that were kind enough to stay out and brave the weather, so for the remainder of the event till 1 o'clock, all the beer is now only tips and donation. You do not have to have a blue ticket, so feel free to head over with your cup, get a cup, and you guys can go ahead and start drinking for free. Just donation and tips for beer only. Thank you very much. Again, 50-50 and raffle will be at 11:45, 11:50.
Right now is the time to be
followed
drinking.
by awards approximately around 12:15. Thank you.
Citywide, Monte Carlo. Dope. Check out these over here. Got a 66 Nova Super Sport. Nomads. Damn. Nice.
So we got ego.
Porsche.
In my day, as the people say, live it up. Okay, I want to be what you be.
Couple more cars on this side. Check these out. Start heading out to the next spot. The General Lee, Sergeant, dope. Damn, that color though. Nice color. 66. Dope. 47 Chevy. Leaf line. New Life. Short video, but a little something to add to the collection. That little swirl right there, this is dope. So, New Life. That red though stands out a lot. I like that color. Pretty clean. Got a 66. Not bad, not bad. And this is at the Pomona Catholic School, all girls high school, on the corner of White and Holt. They usually have this, I think, on the 4th of every year, depending on what day it lands on, but last year was a good amount of cars compared to this year. Like I mentioned, it's just the rain that discourages everyone. '59 El Camino. That white and red though. This is something for sure I like. Look at that interior though. Nice. That right there. No, this is pretty cool. Police department. ED, OD. Oh, that. Pretty nice. ID check. Damn. I should just get some alcohol. But not trying to drink and drive right now since I'm the only one driving. This was a good turnout. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All that goodness. And I'll catch you on the next one.